welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this very beginner friendly wig unit, you guys, completely glueless, sent from Unice hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I decided to show the packaging today. I mean, I normally do, but this one came in a box. I guess they just didn't want to do any damaging to it, but I thought it was a very nice touch. I'm just showing you guys the inside of the packaging and the goodies that came with it. Of course, you do get additional tape because that's what I'm using today. So yeah, now as for the specs of this wig unit, I usually show you guys the inside of the wig cap. However, it was blurry, so I'm just showing you guys here with the picture. I really just want to note the fabric that comes under this lace. It is called a true skin base, and basically it's the fabric that you see up under the lace here, so it requires no ball cap and no tinting. And yeah, so I like this because there's really no line of demarcation between the fabric and the lace, and I feel like back in the day that's how it was. Like, you can see where the fabric was sitting on the lace. So yeah, I really like this, you guys. Now as for the specs of this wig unit, this is a 24-inch HD curtain bang wig unit. It has a 13x4 lace frontal and it's 180% density, and I believe this is a loose wave texture. I have not wet or washed this hair at all, you guys, so I'm not sure of the true texture, but I believe it's loose wave. Okay. Okay, so anyways, this is going to be a very easy install. In my opinion, Unice has the best wigs by far in 2025 that I have been reviewing. They're just like super beginner friendly, and they're easy to put on, and they're already done for you. So it just makes your wig application process quicker and easier, you guys. So today I am doing the install with the tapes. Now these tapes do come inside of the wig already, and I have already told you guys that you do get additional tapes, and you get a bunch inside of your packaging. So with the tapes, I have been reviewing these all like last year. It is best for you to remove the tapes with tweezers, and also you should make sure that you do not have any like makeup along your hairline, because it's not really going to hold, you guys. So yeah, that's like my little tip there. And also I would recommend using the tweezers to apply it as well. I don't know why I'm using my fingers, because of the oils and things of that such. So as you guys could see, this is literally just with tape. I haven't even used any of my foundation on top, and it looks really natural. So I'm going with the foundation now, you guys, just to blend it a little bit more. I do believe I had to go in and cut a little bit more lace. I don't remember. I can't remember. I think I did though. Because it does have like those rigid lines or whatever, and sometimes it can kind of roll and get frayed up. So I think I did go in and cut. And then of course I went down the center of the middle part that was given to me with this wig unit with my foundation as well. If you guys are looking for any of the products that I use for my hair videos, you can always find them in my Amazon storefront, link down in the description box as well. So anyways, this is a curtain bang wig unit, you guys. So this wig comes layered. I love how they have been like styling their wig unit, so you literally can wear these straight out of the box, you guys. I use no hot tools today at all. I don't even think I use it to flatten my part like I usually do with the wig units, and I'm literally just finger combing my hair out to get the style, and I feel like this is pretty much good to go. Of course, you can add your baby hairs and things of that such, which I think I will add further along in this hair video, but I do think that it is a very good beginner friendly wig unit, you guys. Like, the hairline is really good, the plucking job is really good, the blend, the lace is really thin. Like, just for it to be straight out of the box, it's just a 10 out of 10 wig unit, and I actually don't have anything bad to say about this wig. So if you are looking for a really good wig, check out Unice hair, because again, I think that they have been like the best wig since I've been reviewing for this year thus far. So that was just me showing you guys the parting space. Again, this is a 13x4 lace frontal, and you are able to do a little bit more parting if you want on the side. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys here the full hairline if I was to do like a updo or whatnot. And I am also going to be showing you guys how to tighten this wig unit. Now this isn't really new or whatever or whatnot, because I've had these wigs like last year too, but I'm just demonstrating what you do to tighten your wig unit. And that's pretty much it. It's very easy and simple, and it does get tight and it is secure, so love that. So I'm just going in and doing just a little bit of swoops. This is not like my swoops that I usually do for my wig units, but I just decided to add something last minute. And yeah, so I'm also going to do a claw clip style. These wig units are really good for like updos, classier updos and stuff like that. So if you do have to go somewhere formal and you need something quick, I would highly recommend this type of wig unit, because you could definitely get you a quick little updo style with this wig unit, along with the curls that came with it. It's literally 10 out of 10, you guys. Like there's no complaining with this wig unit. I have no complaints, like none. So there's a hairstyle for you guys. I have reviewed this wig unit also in the bang. Like I had like a little frayed bang from Unice as well, and that one was really good. This one is just the curtain bang, and I'm not really a fan of curtain bangs, but I guess if it is done right like Unice, then I guess, hey, I do like it. So I attempted to do like a half up, half down, but at this point I was really just playing in my hair. And yeah, so that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you think of Unice wigs this year. I think they've been doing a really good job. Also, the density of this wig is 180%, if I did not say. In my opinion, I don't recommend 150% density wig units, because I just feel like they're just a little too thin. But that may just be my opinion, because I am a girl who just likes full hair. So I would definitely recommend you guys get this wig unit in 180% density. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.